Hey gents, out in the driveway today. Love to say I'm in the shop, but the Pathmaker's still in the shop with out a T case, but I do have one sourced. It's in Vancouver, so got to get it over here. This is the first day. It's been sunny and somewhat dry in a couple weeks since I bought this thing, so time to maybe finally get going on a few things I gotta do, pull a few parts off of it, so we gotta get it ready to take it out in the bush and smash it around. So the first thing on the list is this front lower, I don't even know what it's called, torsion link mount, some crap like that. It's busted, so I gotta pull this tire off and take a look, see if I can scab something up. Only scary thing with that, as soon as I do that, this thing is not moving anywhere. So how do you jack up a piece of shit? Well, you just... That'll work. Just gotta make yourself a little bit of room there for the high lift. That's structural-ish, right? Love all that movement. Gotta make sure to get it right up there enough so it's kind of scary when you work on it. Ooh, minty brakes in there. Well, if you're looking at this a bit closer, this bad boy is all rusted off. They're supposed to come through here with a nut, and other side's fine, but not this side. So I might be able to weld something on the end, but for now I'm not gonna fuck with it, because as soon as I do, I can't roll it around my driveway anymore. I'm going to see if I can find one of these lowered links off someone for cheap to free, so I can toss it in there. So on that note, let's get to taking this windshield out, because I need it for the Pathmaker. Ooh, somebody already glued it in, so it was a leaker. That'll make it easier, because the glue won't be very good at the top, so it's going to make it easier to cut. So when you're pulling the glass, you can do it a couple different ways. The way I did it out of the Pathmaker, by putting your feet on the inside and pushing, that shit's retarded. But the proper way to do it is you take the screws all the way off, all the way around, take off the weather strip, and then I'm going to get out my big old Olfa and some lube, because remember boys, proper lube is key. And lube the shit out of it, and we're gonna see if we can cut it out without breaking it. Some guys will tell you to use a fine tool, but from what my good buddy tells me, that's a bit of a butcher way of doing it, and you're real prone to breaking the window. So we're gonna cut her with the old Olfa, see if we can get it out without wrecking it. Using some regular old Windex as some lube. And my big old foot. Oh, of course, as soon as I start filming, I bust the blade. But that's okay. It's my first blade. I've cut from about here to here. Pretty easy starting from the inside. Soon I'm going to grab my fiber stick here and get it in. And as soon as I can do that, should be real easy to finish cutting the edges without putting too much strain on the glass. So let me go grab another blade. Not a big deal. I expect to use 3, 4, 5, 8 blades to do this. The big Olfa ones are badass, so not a big deal. I got a pack of 50 of them. So let me just switch that up. Apparently the door panel no longer for sale. When you stand on that and it's 22-year-old cardboard, you rip it out. But hey, we're winning on the windshield. There we go, gents. Glass out. So I'm gonna throw it somewhere out of the way of my massive shop, and I'm gonna have to glue it into the Pathmaker in another day. I gotta cut the windshield bar out, but so far so good. I was a little concerned about pulling this out without busting it. Now I'm pretty much paid back, or damn close to, for this whole rig, so time to have some fun with it. Now it's gonna get rained on. I'm gonna have to find a tarp, but maybe pop the rear off now. Toss that, take that ratchet strap off, because there's no sense trying to keep the rain out of it. The mailman just showed up, brought me my new Makita drill. I was up at my buddy Dave's house doing a bit of drilling, and smoked my old drill. Literally had smoke pouring out of the back and doesn't work. So this is the brushless 18 volt Makita. We'll give it a try. Hopefully it lasts a little longer than my last one. So we're gonna go throw a battery on that, and we're gonna yank this roof off of here and onwards and upwards. If you're gonna be taking off a whole bunch of shit, sometimes it's worth to just walk around. Some deep creep, spray it in everything. So when I bought this thing, buddy told me, save me the effort, roof's already cut off. Sweet, I haven't taken it off yet. This structural ratchet strap here. Woo, yeah. Is it ever a structural ratchet strap? Never would have thought with a tire on it. Tire carrier for sale. Right. Anybody need some Pathy interior parts? Most of it's just gonna get pitched in my truck, go in the garbage. We're on a bit of a stage 1 rate reduction here. Tossed all this crap is going, but gotta love the gold that you find in an old truck. Other people would see that as garbage. It's going in the bolt bucket. And got myself a new ratchet strap, score. But most importantly, you know that 10 mil everyone's looking for? I found it. It's a ratchety one. Stoked. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull those back seats out, clean this garbage up. Nice. Convertible. Mid. Well, I gotta take that Nerf bar off, and might look into pulling the glass out of the doors. Might look into just pulling the doors all together. So what do you do when you're trying to pull the window out and the stupid window won't come down? Pull the other one out of the other side, but this one won't, and you happen to have a new drill? Well, I'm gonna have to drill myself a hole around here. Hopefully I don't break the window in the driveway, but at the same time, I don't want to break the window at all. So that's why I gotta pull it out. That's what happens when you go balls to the wall with a really cheap Mastercraft drill bit. Another new bit, round 2. Well, good enough. I can see the bolt I gotta get to, pretty much. Bend this out of the way. Perfect. Perfect. So all we needed was a custom hole in the door. I'm still trying to decide on the back doors, boys. Should I take them, pitch them, cut them off, or should I take the glass out? One more thing I wanted to do before I figured it wrapped up today, after stage 1 weight reduction, is well, it says it's got a limited slip. There's a couple boring ways we could figure out if it has a limited slip, but I figure this is the fun way. That was a bit of a fail. It smells like clutch. We're gonna have to try it again. Really glad I didn't run over my other GoPro. Well, I guess that answers my question if the LSD works. Looks like it worked pretty minty. A little bit of posy there. Sweet. Well, boys, tune in next time. I'm going to see about fixing some of this shit in the back, get another set of shocks, and I'm heading out wheeling on the weekend. We're going to go out with the EMB, the Goblin, and do some ripping around, so stay tuned for a bit more wheeling video. But good day stripping the good old Cheapfinder, so good shit.